去到01年嗰題 past paper 啦，咁今次呢，佢就俾咗個 required reserve 嚟嘅，咁嗌你揾翻個 actual reserve ratio，同埋呢佢有幾多 excess reserve。咁呢 actual reserve ratio 呢好直接嘅啫，就係將個 actual reserve 除 deposit 啦。咁所以呢個 actual reserve ratio 呢就會係250除1000啦，咁所以係0.25啦。咁 excess reserve 咧，之前其實都識噶啦，咁就係250減翻1000乘以0.2啦，咁所以就係50個 million 嘅。咁但係咧後面先係重點喎。咁呢度咧佢就話佢而家 withdraw 咗40個 million， 咁跟住之後咧又係啦 invest overseas， 咁即係又係離開咗噶啦。咁跟住之後呢一句咧。All banks lend out their remaining excess reserve. What is the maximum possible amount of total deposit in the banking system？ 咁呢一句嘅意思呢，借晒出去呢，其實即係我哋要揾個 maximum deposit 啫。咁你就唔使諗話，我冇借出去，咁嗰啲錢去咗邊啊？即係或者係咪少咗 reserve 啊？唔使嘅，個 reserve 幾時會喐？淨係 withdraw 或者係 deposit 嘅時候先會喐嘅啫。咁所以呢，佢原本呢係有250，就嚟睇翻前面啦。佢原本係250個 reserve 噶嘛，佢原本250個 reserve 噶嘛。咁而家 withdraw 咗40啦，咁所以呢就會係得翻210個 million 嘅 reserve 啦。咁喺呢210個 million 嘅 reserve 其實可以做到幾多deposit 出嚟呢？個 maximum deposit 呢，就將210除翻0.2。OK， 咁所以你會計到呢度呢係1050個 million 嘅。咁所以逢親你見到佢 lend out all their remaining excess reserve 呢，你唔使理嘅。總之用翻佢嘅 actual reserve 除翻個 RRR， 你就會揾到個 maximum amount of deposit 噶啦。好，我哋睇多題啦。咁呢度你會見到又係啦，佢一開頭呢，佢話 deposit 10 million cash into the banking system， 係啦。咁跟住 if all banks lend out their remaining excess reserve, calculate the change in money supply。咁呢，佢又係 lend out all their remaining excess reserve， 即係我哋要揾呢個 maximum deposit。咁但係要揾呢樣嘢之前呢，首先我哋其實都要揾 RRR 嘅，所以 RRR 呢係第一步嚟嘅。咁所以我哋先揾個 RRR 啦。RRR 呢就會係佢冇話佢有 excess reserve 啊嘛，咁所以就係直接20除100啦，咁所以係0.2啦。好啦，咁跟住之後呢，佢而家就 deposit 10 million of cash into banking system 喎，咁即係話嗰個reserve 呢就會多咗啦。個 reserve 呢就會變咗係20加10啦，就會係30嘅 million 嘅。好，咁跟住我哋呢，用呢一個新嘅 reserve 呢，就會揾到個 maximum deposit 啦。係啦，之後呢，就要揾 maximum deposit 啦。咁 maximum deposit 呢，就會係30個 million 除以0.2。咁所以呢度呢，佢就會變咗係150個 million 嘅。150個 million 嘅。咁好啦，咦？咁最後我哋仲要揾個 money supply 喎，同埋個 change money supply。咁即係要揾原本嘅 money supply 同新嘅 money supply 啦。咁你會見到呢，其實 money supply 有兩個組成部分嘅，一邊呢就係 cash in public hand， 一邊呢就係 deposit。咁呢個就係 money supply 啦。咁呢，其實而家 cash in public hand 呢，你見到佢 deposit 咗10個 million 啊。咁即係話 cash in public hand 呢，其實就係減咗10啦。咁跟住之後 deposit 呢，就係由100去到150啦，原本係100啊嘛，100而家係150，咁所以呢，就加咗50。咁所以其實嗰個 change in money supply 呢，就係我咁樣寫係唔標準嚇，寫翻個好啲嘅先。好啦，咁所以其實呢，嗰個 change in money supply就會係-10 即係少咗10個 million cash 咧，因為 deposit 咗喺個 bank 啦，加翻50個 deposit 啦，多咗50個 deposit 啦，咁所以就會係40個 million 嘅。OK，increase 咗40個 million money supply。咁係啦，咁你就咁樣答啦。咁所以呢一度呢，其實你見到好多步驟呢，每一次都係第一個 step 一定係要 RRR 嘅。咁跟住之後比較重要，如果係 withdraw 或者係 deposit 呢，要揾翻嗰個 reserve， 究竟我而家個 actual reserve 係幾多？跟住通常走唔甩呢 maximum deposit 都要揾噶啦。其實佢究竟會去到最多可以去做到幾多啦？咁跟住之後可能佢就會問 monetary base 啊、money supply 啊，咁你跟住嚟做咯。咁 money supply 呢就會有影響嘅，因為 deposit 係會影響 money supply。但係 monetary base 呢，無論佢係提款存款呢， monetary base 係冇影響嘅，因為 monetary base 係印咗出嚟嘅錢啊嘛。你見到佢啲錢由 cash 去咗 reserve 去翻 cash， 咁其實係冇影響嗰個 monetary base 嘅。好啦，跟住最後啦 ，two possible reason 點 why the actual change in money supply could be less than the maximum possible change。咁呢個就係其實係嗰個 assumption 係啦。咁你記得我哋琴日呢做嗰個環繞住個錢喺度轉係咪？咁我哋其實 assume 咗佢係一定會借得出啦，同埋 assume 咗啲 cash 係冇 cash leakage 一定會入翻去啦。咁所以其實佢點解佢可能會細啲呢？咁就可能係因為有cash leakage 啦。咁當然你要解釋啦，係咪？有4分噶嘛，咁即係1分呢個 cash leakage，另外1分就要解釋啦。咁你就可以講話啲錢係去咗個 public hand 嗰度，佢冇翻入去，冇 redeposit 入去個 banking system 啦，咁所以佢就冇得再做啦。咁或者佢係有呢個，即係佢唔夠 loans 啦，not enough demand for loans 啦。咁都得嘅，或者可能佢bank keeps excess reserve， 即係佢可能 keep 咗啲 excess reserve 去以防萬一嘅，咁都係會有機會令到佢會細啲啦。咁呢3個 assumption 咧都要記嘅，咁所以咧翻去睇翻筆記呢3個 assumption 要背一背，了解佢其實講緊啲咩嘢。所以就因為我哋有呢啲 assumption，我哋先至可以去到一個 maximum deposit 嘅。